So Jimmy the cockatoo, he's down there on the branch, just a little ways down. He's just a little ways down. Anyway, we call him Cockatoo Jimmy for short. Cockatoo Jimmy. I like that. I like how that sounds. Yeah, I like how that sounds. Anyway, Cockatoo Jimmy, he's got the best, listen to me, he's got the best millet seed in the game. You got it? He's got the best millet seed. Now, okay, now you got to go down and see Cockatoo Jimmy. Now, I need you to go down here. I kind of go down there a little too much. He says I'm coming by too much. He thinks I'm hooked on his millet seed. He thinks I'm hooked on it. I'm not hooked on it. I'm fine. But you need to take, I got some cut bone over here. You're going to take it and you're going to go over there. I can't wait for you. You're not picking this up, are you? Oh, gosh. There he is. I think he's going to leave. I better go see him. Oh, Cockatoo Jimmy. Cockatoo Jimmy. Cockatoo Jimmy.